Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open your cloud drive and select the file you want to share. Click or tap the file name once to highlight it. Look for a Share or Get Link button in the toolbar. Choose Link Settings and set access to anyone with the link. Set permissions to view, comment, or edit depending on your goal. Copy the generated link and paste it where others can access it for collaboration. Rename files with clear names and include dates like 2025-11-22 for tracking. Remove unnecessary spaces and use hyphens or underscores in file names. Compress multiple files into a zip no larger than 100 MB when possible. Check file types and keep common formats like PDF, JPG, or docx for compatibility. Drag files into the upload area or use upload and select files from your device. Monitor the progress bar and wait until the upload reaches 100%. After upload, select the file and choose Get Link to create a shareable URL. Set expiration or password if you need limited access control for security. Test the link in an incognito window to confirm permissions work correctly. Share the link by email, chat, or paste it into a document for recipients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.